So what's up everyone, my name is Sishan and you're watching my channel SB Designs. So today I'm going to design the Ford Raptor F-150 SVT, this time the 2017 model, as I believe that it was a great challenge for me to design a more futuristic model, as it is a very good looking truck. So here is the video, you can see that. And I want to tell you guys that it is the truck production was starts in 2010. In this 2010 model, they did the chassis upgrades and the powertrain, the drive technology with the body design was pretty good actually, as it doesn't look like a truck. The people say that, which is a very good thing for the Ford company. The chassis upgrade the SVT fitted a Raptor with Fox Racing internal bypass shocks with external reservoirs, allowing for 11 inches of front suspension travel. To accommodate the long travel suspension design, the rear leaf springs and the front upper and lower A arms were redesigned, with SVT widening the truck by 7 inches and raising the ride height by 2 inches. As we can say that due to chassis upgrade, the 2010 model was very good at suspensions, and they introduced the two different models of pickup truck produced by Ford obviously. And this, from when the production starts, the 2010 model, it goes around to 2014, and after the 2014 model, here comes the 2014 to 2017 model, in which I am redesigning. And this truck, I have to say that it is a pretty sporty truck, and the aggressive look on the front makes me feel so good about this truck. Following the 2015 introduction, the 13th generation F series, the Raptor model line went on a 2-year hiatus. The second generation of a Raptor was released for the 2017 model year, dropping the SVT prefix, as they tried to make it a very high-duty model. As the before models from 2010 and 2014, those models were made only for low-duty and medium-duty vehicles. As with this predecessor, the second generation Raptor is a pickup truck derived from the F-150, optimized for off-road capability. As with the standard F-150, the 2010 to 2014 model, the Raptor is an aluminium-intensive vehicle using steel primarily for the frame rails. Compared to the SVT Raptor, curb weight was reduced by over 500 pounds. Really, they make a drastic change in the 2017 model, and yeah, it looks pretty good actually, we can say that. And after that, as I'm redesigning this, I have to say that Ford make a drastic change in 2017 model. They learned from their failures, I can say that, but there were only 4 trucks which were dominating the industry from 2010 to 2017, and till now I can say that. And let's talk about my redesign. I have redesigned this Ford Raptor 2017 model. In this model, I try to change the headlights, which I tried them to make a little futuristic and LED types. And I haven't changed the tires because, according to me, these tires are looking very nice. And I tried to change the color. Didn't do a dark black color, but a little grayish, but a black with the black shade. And I think the Ford Raptor is a very off-road type model and very hard hitting. So the second generation, the 2017 generation and till present, they design a chassis specification as with the previous generation. The Raptor retained Fox Racing internal bypass shocks, 3 inches from 2.5, and they increased that 13 inch from the front axle. This assembly was made in Dearborn, Michigan. And let's talk about the Ford Ranger Raptor 2019 model, which is at present, and it looks like an Ford Endeavor, I can say that, as they didn't change the look actually. They just modified the headlights, and they let the other truck remain same. So I can say that if you like my videos, so please subscribe and like and share. And I upload the videos every 2 to 3 days, so you can check out my videos anytime you can say. And next I will redesign something different, so please subscribe for my next channel, next video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.